Did you know that the harmful gases coming out of factories could actually be turned into things we use every day, like shampoo, detergent, and even fuel for vehicles? It sounds amazing, but scientists have found a way to do just that. Professors Jhuma Sadhukhan and Xuan from the University of Surrey developed a new process that captures carbon dioxide from steel and paper factories. Instead of letting this pollution escape into the air, they turn it into something useful. Here's how it works. The captured carbon dioxide goes through a special chemical process called Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. This process changes carbon dioxide into a gas called syngas, which is mainly made up of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Then, syngas is processed to alkanes, which are finally chemically transformed into alcohol ethoxylate, the surfactant used in detergents and shampoos. And here's the best part. All of this runs on wind energy. That means no extra pollution from electricity. It's clean and sustainable. This method can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 82% in paper mills and almost 50% in steel plants compared to traditional methods. That's a huge step toward fighting climate change. But there are challenges too. Right now, this process is expensive and needs a lot of clean energy and hydrogen to work. Scientists say we need more investment in renewable energy to make it cheaper and easier to use everywhere. Turning pollution into products sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming real. This technology could help factories stop harming the planet and start helping us all. Imagine a future where waste becomes something valuable. That's the power of science and clean energy working together.